all the 8 billion humans on Earth, no two people have been found to have the exact same fingerprints, not even identical twins. According to research, the fingerprint of a person can be identified as belonging to that individual with 99.99% confidence. For this reason, fingerprints have been the basis of forensic science for nearly 100 years. Thousands of crime cases have been solved using the fingerprint analysis. The development of the fingerprint begins in the womb, when the fetus is between 6 and 8 weeks old. During this stage, thick skin-like layers, known as volar parts, begin to form on the fingers and feet of the fetus. This occurs as a result of swelling of stem cell tissues beneath the skin. Scientists call this tissue mesenchyme, and it is what eventually form blood vessels and skin of the human body. The orientation and size of the volar parts during growth determines the pattern of an individual's fingerprint. On top of the volar parts, there are 3 main layers of embryonic skin cells: the epidermis, basal layer, and the dermis. All these layers grow at different rates. As they grow, they begin to form ridges, or the tiny lines we see on the fingers, as a result of the buckling effects of the underlying tissue. There are 3 fundamental patterns of fingerprints. There are loop patterns. In this pattern, ridges enter from one side of the finger, form a curve, and then exit from the same side. There is also the whorl pattern. These type of fingerprints are characterized by ridges that form circular or spiral patterns. The last type are the arches. In this pattern, the ridges flow from one side of the finger to the other side. The precise mechanisms of fingerprint formation are still not fully understood, but according to scientists, genetics play a significant role. Researchers also suggest that while genetics provide a blueprint, environmental factors and random processes, such as gravity and the orientation of the embryo in the womb, also contribute to the unique patterns. When a person touches an object, they leave behind a residue of oils, sweat, and other substances from their skin, creating an impression of their fingerprints. Forensic experts can recover these latent prints using various techniques, such as dusting, chemical enhancement, or digital scanning. Once recovered, the fingerprints can be compared to a database of other known fingerprints or used to identify individuals linked to a crime scene.